Stop scrolling for just 20 seconds, because this might be the most misunderstood pickup truck of 2026. When people hear Chevrolet Silverado, they imagine a huge American truck that only makes sense on wide highways. But what if I tell you the 2026 Silverado is actually becoming a smart, money-focused, daily usable pickup for buyers in the USA and even overseas Asian markets? Lower running costs than before, better fuel average, new hybrid savings, and resale that finally makes sense. If you are thinking about a pickup for work, family, or long-term ownership, this video can save you a lot of money. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado pickup, and Chevrolet has clearly redesigned it with global buyers in mind. In the USA, the starting price comes around $38,000 to $40,000 for the base work truck, while well-equipped trims can go up to $65,000. In Japan, imported Silverado models usually start near 6.5 to 7 million yen depending on engine and trim. In ASEAN markets like Thailand, Philippines, or Indonesia through imports, prices usually land between 3.5 to 4.5 million local currency equivalents, depending on taxes. Yes, it is not cheap, but the value story is stronger than before. Let's talk about fuel average first, because that's what Asian buyers care about the most. The 2026 Silverado offers improved petrol engines, a refined diesel option, and most importantly, a mild hybrid system on selected trims. The petrol engine gives around 9 to 11 km per liter in mixed use, diesel can reach 12 to 14 km per liter on highways, and the hybrid system helps save fuel in traffic by shutting off the engine and assisting during acceleration. Compared to older Silverados, fuel savings can reach 10 to 15%. That matters a lot if you drive daily or sit in traffic. Hybrid savings are especially useful for Asian cities. Stop-and-go traffic in Manila, Bangkok, Jakarta, or even Los Angeles burns fuel fast. The hybrid system reduces fuel waste, lowers engine stress, and improves long-term reliability. It's not a full EV, but it's practical and realistic. Compared to a full electric pickup like Tesla, charging infrastructure in many Asian countries is still limited. Silverado's hybrid setup gives savings without range anxiety. Maintenance cost is another area where Chevrolet has improved. The 2026 Silverado uses more durable components, longer service intervals, and simplified electronics compared to earlier models. In the USA, annual maintenance averages around $800 to $1,000 depending on usage. In Asian markets through imports, maintenance is slightly higher, but parts are easier to source now because Silverado shares components with global GM platforms. Diesel variants are especially popular in Asia because of better longevity and lower fuel costs. Resale value has also improved. Pickups hold value well, and Silverado now competes better with Toyota Hilux in this area. In the USA, after 5 years, Silverado retains around 60% of its value. In Asian markets where American pickups are rare and desirable, resale can be even stronger if the truck is well maintained. This makes it a safer long-term investment than many luxury SUVs. Now let's talk performance in simple words. In the city, the 2026 Silverado feels smoother and lighter than you expect. Steering is easier, suspension absorbs bad roads, and visibility is improved. Yes, it's still a big vehicle, but traffic crawling is no longer stressful thanks to better throttle control and driver assistance systems. On the highway, this truck feels stable, confident, and relaxed. Overtaking is easy, even with load, and engine noise is well controlled. Ownership cost includes fuel, maintenance, insurance, and parts. Insurance in the USA is similar to other full-size pickups, while in Asia it depends on import taxes but remains manageable. Parts availability has improved a lot. GM has expanded its global supply network, and common service parts are now available faster in many Asian countries. This is a big improvement over older American trucks that were hard to maintain overseas. Now let's do a quick comparison. Against the Tesla pickup, Silverado wins on reliability, easier refueling, lower repair risk, and better suitability for countries without charging networks. Tesla offers instant power, but battery replacement cost and resale risk are still concerns. Against the Toyota Hilux, Silverado offers more comfort, more cabin space, stronger highway performance, and better towing. Hilux is cheaper and more compact, but Silverado feels more premium and future-ready. So why is the 2026 Silverado smart for Asian roads and traffic? Because it balances size with usability, power with efficiency, and toughness with comfort. It can handle rough roads, heavy rain, long highway trips, and daily city use. It's a work truck that doesn't feel like punishment to drive every day. For business owners, families, and long-term planners, this truck makes sense. If you want a pickup that looks powerful, drives comfortably, saves fuel compared to older models, and holds value over time, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado deserves serious attention. This is no longer just an American truck. It's a global pickup built for real-world ownership. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for honest car reviews made for Asian and global buyers, and comment below what pickup you want us to review next. Your support helps this channel grow, and trust me, you don't want to miss the next video.